Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2007. This question is related to electronics. Group 1 list 4 types of PN junction diodes. Match each device in group 1 with one of the option in group 2 to indicate the bias condition of that device in its normal mode of operation. Normal mode of operation is nothing but where it will be used most. In which mode it will be used most is going to be treated as normal mode of operation. So group 1 consisting of Zener diode, solar cell, laser diode and avalanche photodiode. Zener diode, the main application of Zener diode is nothing but as a voltage regulator. Voltage regulator. Voltage regulator is nothing but it maintains constant voltage even though there is a fluctuations in the input voltage. So this property is only used under Zener breakdown region which occurs in reverse bias. So Zener diode is going to be matched with reverse bias. Next, if you are observing avalanche photodiode, photodiode is nothing but the principle of photodiode is nothing but the output current of photodiode is proportional to the light emitted on that one. That is nothing but light emission is directly influencing the current flowing through the diode. Avalanche photodiode is also having the same principle. In meanwhile, it will be multiplying the current within itself. Okay, avalanche photodiode is having the same principle as photodiode, but it has more sensitivity because it has internally some multiplication region where it multiplies the small current generated by the light, so that it has large sensitivity. Always photodiodes operate under reverse bias because under reverse bias the current flowing through the diode is very small which will be always reverse saturation current, so that whenever light applied at that time that makes covalent bonds to break, which is going to be increases the number of minority carriers, so that minority carrier current, that is current under reverse bias, is directly proportional to the light applied. Okay, so there is a linear relationship between the current flowing through the reverse bias diode and the light applied whenever it is under, that is in the case of photodiodes. Whereas whenever it is, if you are thinking that one photodiode is operating under forward bias, under forward bias the current flowing through the diode is very large, such that even though the light applied, that doesn't have any effect on the current flowing through the diode, because the change in carriers because of light doesn't affect the forward current. Even though it increases by a small amount, that small amount can be negligible and there is no relationship between forward current and light emitted. So that avalanche photodiode, all photodiodes operates under reverse bias. Next, laser diode. Laser diode implies nothing but which emits light for a longer distances, and this light emission is going to be happens with the help of photons. A photon is generated in direct band gap semiconductors whenever an electron or an atom is going to be coming from higher energy state to lower energy state. As you are getting more number of carriers from higher state to lower energy state, by that time more photons will be emitted, so that more light is going to be possible. Oh, this is only possible under forward bias. Under forward bias, a large number of charge carriers, that is nothing but majority charge carriers, are going to be moving from one side to the other side. Okay, so that more number of charge carriers will be present at the higher energy levels only under forward bias, so that whenever they are coming back to their own states, at that time they will give up the photons while losing the energy. Those photons will be used to generate the light, so that always laser diode is operates under forward bias. Solar cell is also operates under forward bias. So Zener and avalanche photodiodes are going to be operates under reverse bias, whereas solar cell and laser diode operates under forward bias. Zener and avalanche photodiodes are operates under reverse bias. Solar and laser cell operates under forward bias. The option is B. Okay, thank you.